Hello and namaste. So yesterday we have seen the composite function, the partial differentiation topic, composite function part 1, the self-observation question number 2. Now with the request and the response for this particular question 2, the solution for that, I would like to go ahead with the question 1. So few of the learners have requested for the question 1 also. Let us see. The question 1 has been given to us as if z equals to u square plus v square and u is equals to at squared, v is equals to 2at, find dz upon dt. Now we know that we have got this z which is a function of u comma v. So let us draw this typical curve which we have seen in the particular session also. So this z equals to, so we have got here only z which is a function of, instead of this functions we have got the functions of u and v, wherein this u and v both of them are the functions of t. If you'll observe here, this is at square, a is a constant, t is the variable. So we have got this u and a v is a function of t. That means in the level 3 we have got only one variable. In the level 2 we have got two variables u and v, and the level 1 we have got one which is dependent variable z. The question is find dz upon dt. Now if we'll just go ahead and go for this, so that means what, z equals to u square plus v square, and this has been asked as dz upon dt. So if we'll write down the chain rule for the composite functions, dz upon dt is equals to, now whenever we have to reach to the level 1 the differentiation of the level 3 variable of the level 1, we have to travel through the level 2. That means what, the chain rule will go via this u and v. But while going this, we have to have, because it's a z with respect to u and z with respect to v. If you'll observe from this z, two arrows are coming out. That means this should be partial. So dou z upon dou u into, now from u only one arrow is coming out, and from v also only one arrow. So that this has to be du upon dt plus dou z upon dou v into dv upon dt. And if we'll just go on solving this particular, now so dou z upon dou u, we have got z equals to u square plus v square. Let me just make some space here so that we can have this particular, we can have it somewhere here in between. Fine. So that means we have got z is equals to u square plus v square. So if I want to have from here dou z upon dou u, that would be 2u. Similarly, dou z upon dou v is equals to 2 times v. This is what we are going to get it. Whenever we wanted to find out this du upon dt, what would be u? U is equals to at square. This gives us du upon dt. The value is equals to 2at. And we have got v is equals to 2at. This gives us the value of dv upon dt is equals to, so we will be having this dv upon dt is equals to 2 times a. So we have got this dv upon dt, we have got this, so we got all of them, if you'll observe here, we got dou u upon dou z, we got dou z upon dou v, we got du upon dt, and we got dv upon dt. So if we have got all of them, we can put them here. So let me just copy it from here, and we will just write down from this one and just fill up the values. So all these values will be filling up the values over here in this. So dou z upon dou u will be getting 2u into dv upon du upon dt, which is 2at, plus this is 2v into 2 times a. But as they have asked us the dz upon dt, so we have to express everything in terms of t only. There should not be any u and v present here in this. So this is nothing but we are just replacing u and replacing v as a t square and 2at respectively. So it is 2, this is at square into 2at plus 2 into 2at into 2a. This will gives us here 2, so 4. This would be 4a square t cube plus 8a square t. So if you'll observe here, we can take something common out of it. So it's 4a square t into t square plus 2. So we will be getting the final answer of dz upon dt as this. So we wanted to have this particular identity to get the value for. Please do check it here. This is what is our final answer. Let me just show you the entire thing at one go so that you can just have it with you. So this is all about this particular part 1, composite function part 1, question number 1, which is of this particular question. So if you need any type of this help from me, that is a particular self observation of particular chapter, just put the comment in the comment section so that I can provide the answer for you. Thank you. Happy learning.